This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to change an Audi A5 brake light. First, gather your essential tools: a T20 torque screwdriver and a new 12-volt, 21-watt bulb. Always ensure your Audi A5 is completely turned off and the parking brake is engaged for safety. You will begin by locating the small access panel inside the trunk, positioned directly behind the brake light assembly. This panel provides the entry point for the repair. Once the access panel is open, you'll see a plastic fastener that secures the tail light assembly. Use a flathead screwdriver to turn this fastener counterclockwise until it's completely removed. With the fastener out, gently slide the part of the tail light closest to the trunk away from the car. Then, carefully wiggle the assembly until the two locator pins on the far side pop out, allowing you to fully remove it. With the tail light assembly free, carefully disconnect the electrical connector. Next, locate the bulb holder for the brake light. Twist this holder counterclockwise to release it from the assembly. Now, gently push down on the old bulb and twist it to remove it. Insert your new 12-volt, 21-watt bulb, ensuring it's seated correctly, and then reinsert the bulb holder by twisting it clockwise. Now, reconnect the electrical connector to the tail light assembly. Carefully align the two locator pins on the tail light with their corresponding holes on the car's body. Gently push the tail light back into place until it sits flush. Resecure the plastic fastener by turning it clockwise with your screwdriver. Finally, test your new brake light to ensure it's working correctly before closing the trunk. Before you go, remember to check the video description for a link to the Oala water bottle and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.